Oh yeah, I got them food, bro. Oh yeah, look out there warming this thing up. Oh yeah, bro, you ready? Yeah, bro, we getting that high quality gas. You got the 87. Yeah.
I thought you got. I didn't know.
We don't put premium in Jeeps.
I put 93.
We don't do that. Yeah, 93 is that good for the sports cars, but we don't put that expensive stuff in the Jeeps because it just gets burnt up in like 2 seconds, you know? 2 seconds. Yeah, we've already got a little bit of nice. It's like 30 hour Jeep will tell us. Let's see here. Would you look at that? We got 11 miles per gallon. That's cool. Let's see. Where's it at though? Oh, 34 degrees. Yeah, it feels like 28. Honestly, feels like 28, but it's 34. Not too bad.
Pumping his gas.
Oh yeah, Wes back with the drinks.
Oh yeah, you got Taylor pumping your gas. You got me getting you drinks.
Oh yeah, we got the whole team out here squad. We got the gas pumper.
It's the cold squad.
Cold squad gas pumper.
And my hand about to freeze off.
Hand about to freeze off as we open and drink.
Yeah, I'm gonna have two California Crunch Wraps combos.
The combo?
Yeah, hash browns with both instead of Cinnabons.
Count that money up. Gotta get the Taco Bell bands, bro. Alright, so the aftermath, yeah, you guys see it, the whole Jeep is covered, obviously. Yep, the bird's nest in the axle. Just caked. Just, yeah, that is pretty much just pure swamp right there. You see there's a tow rope right there. A lot of people get stuck here. You can see all the water just draining out of the frame and all that stuff. That is pretty crazy though. The water line was right there, you guys can see. So that's pretty wild. Somehow it still was moving. Got some good momentum. Oh, bruh. Oh no.
It ain't mud, it's just these little...
Those are like little fuzzy stickies that
Yeah,
come
they're
off
not
these,
even like prickly, they're just sticky.
Yeah, that's funny. Alright, so we haven't gotten stuck yet. Thankfully, we did hit a few mud holes. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed those. Nothing too crazy, but, but yeah, this is gonna be really fun to clean. Oh, shit. Alright, so we're about to let us slap in this creek, and our boy Wes over here finna do the honors of filming it, I guess. He's that film boy. Alright, so we're in the creek now, and kind of need to see to be able to get back home. So we're kind of gonna do a little DIY trail cleaning here. Yep. Alright, let's see. Let's see, get it all softened up. Right. Oh yeah. yeah, smells great. Give her a good old rinse. Man, look at that mud. Oh yeah, this got me in the face. Nice. Alright. And that's how you get clear windows, boys. Now we got vision. Broke my mirror. See that, guys, on the tree? Oh my god.
Oh no.
Yeah, check that out, boys. Dang, son. Maybe I can just get me home. Oh yeah, you guys can see that. Nice. Okay. But no, yeah. Sweet. So yeah, got a little bit of body damage there. No worries. Corner armor will take care of that, but still. Wow. They just keep breaking stuff, I guess. Jeez. That was a big crunch. This is exactly how it was. I have not touched this. Busted the bulb. Very done so. We have broken the tail light and we have broken the mirror. No main tub body damage yet, really. So that's all good. I'm trying to make it up this right here. You can tell it's really slick. Kind of hard. Alright, so the Jeep just told us that we got a left rear turn signal out, lamp out, and that is true. It is definitely out. It is gone. It is good as gone.
It's a bit shattered.
Yeah, she is best as gone.
There's that tree. Oh yeah.
Dang, that's
That was good.
Look at that. What, like, brought a stick up out of that. Check that out, though. Dang. Whew. Alright, so to give you guys a little perspective here, this is, obviously it's wet. Alright, yeah, this isn't a creek. I'm not sure if you guys have ever tried to wheel in a creek, but it's the most slickest thing. And then there's Wes. That's like, I mean, if I were to stand in this, it comes up to my chest about right here. That's straight up. This is straight up. Not even really sure where that stick came from, but it might have helped. I don't know. I think it just kind of got thrown out as we were spinning up it. All right, so I'm gonna kind of go over a little bit of a damage assessment here. We have where we had a tree right here. We had to kind of push our way through a tree. It was about as round as the mirror, kind of about like here to here. So yeah, I took kind of a hit on the paint there. It's normal though, it's all good. Pretty much just a lot of pinstriping, as you guys can see. Some wear areas there, like this. Yeah, that's all that brush stuff. It's all across. So probably gonna let it accumulate for a little bit and then do a nice buff later down the road. Some more pinstriping. Picked up a couple more little gashes there, nothing too crazy. This one probably took the most beating off the powder coat here on the ring. You guys can tell, kind of got on the inside of it a little bit, showing that aluminum through that gloss black powder coat. Looks pretty good though. Yeah, some you know, some good old pinstripes up there too, down along this side. You guys can see that pretty well there. Yeah, nothing too crazy on this side. Yeah, just that coverage broke, so. Alrighty, so now we have the fun part. This is the most damage that had occurred this entire trip, basically. So yeah, piece is just falling out. But obviously, the main damage is going to be right here to the body, where the tail light just kind of got pushed in, because these tail lights stick out from the side. So yeah, kind of scrape that up a little bit. Obviously the paint is going to be going. But yeah, that's dented in right there on the body on the tub. You can still see some tree bark and that. Taillight just got crunched. Looks like somebody just took like a slow shot and just blew a hole in it. Bulb is gone. It did alert us on the dash cluster there. That was pretty funny. But yeah, that taillight is smoked. Got some more stuff like this.